When you're treading water in Winston-Salem, NC, call AdvantaClean. With water damage can be pretty rough. It can compromise your home's structure and put you and your family's health at risk. Here in Winston-Salem, where weather can sometimes be unpredictable, knowing how to handle water damage quickly and safely is very important. Let's walk through some steps on how to take control of water damage and make sure your home in Winston-Salem, NC, gets back to feeling like home again. Locate the source of water damage. The first thing you want to do is figure out where the water is coming from. It could be from a burst pipe, a leaking roof, an overflowing washer, or even floodwater. Knowing where the water is coming from is critical to preventing more damage. Turn off the power. Remember that water and electricity are a dangerous combination. So, before you start any repair work or even start looking around for signs of damage, you need to turn off the power in your Winston-Salem home, at least in the areas affected by the water. If you are not sure how to do it or if it is safe to do so, wait for a professional to arrive. Remove wet items since the power is off and the area is safe. You will want to get all the wet stuff out. This includes soaked furniture, carpets, electronics, and other personal belongings. The faster you can get them out, the better your chance of saving them. Moreover, getting the wet items out of the way speeds up the drying process. Start the drying process. Drying out the affected area is crucial. If things stay wet, you could end up with more damage, not to mention mold. Open windows, use fans, get a dehumidifier, what it takes to circulate air throughout the home and reduce moisture. It might take a while, but it is worth doing it right to avoid structural problems and other issues like mold down the line. Contacting a water restoration company while you might be able to handle some of these steps on your own. Water damage can be difficult to handle. That's when you call water restoration professionals like AdvantaClean. Professionals have the tools, the know-how, and the experience to ensure your Winston-Salem home is taken care of the right way. They will evaluate all the damage, clean up everything properly, and get your home back to how it was before the water damage happened. Professional water damage restoration services in Winston-Salem, NC. If you are looking for experts in water damage restoration in Winston-Salem, you cannot go wrong with AdvantaClean. We offer quality and affordable water damage restoration services in the Triad area. We use the latest technology and non-invasive methods to survey the damage, identify the causes, and fix the root of the problem. Call AdvantaClean at 336-464-7934 or submit this form to request a service appointment today. To schedule an appointment or call 336-464-7934.